My dad is snoring very loud. I mean, really, really loud. Nobody can sleep at this time. Um, it's just, it's bad, you guys. Alright, look at this, look at this. Hold on. It's horrific.